At Delcor, we take the adult beverage industry seriously with a full lineup of intelligent cartoning and case packing equipment and the expertise to engineer fully integrated packaging systems from inspection through palletizing. Delcor is the preferred supplier for many major adult beverage producers. Some of our most popular machines for the adult beverage industry include our case forming and case packing systems. Our Performance Series case packer handles a range of containers from beer cans and wine bottles to cases and cartons, with the ability to open and pack reusable shipping cases. With quick, toolless changeovers between these products and an ability to lift up to 20 pounds. The modular design is both compact and economical, fitting your business environment, with patented intelligent synchronization technology in feeds, aligning your product for ideal packing efficiency. The MSP Series case packer is a great solution for quickly and efficiently packing pouches, reaching speeds up to 200 bags per minute. The dual vision-based robots can read and align products weighing up to 3 pounds. This is a great solution for wine and daiquiri pouches. From the latest trends in packaging styles to the traditional formats, all Delcor equipment is designed for fast, simple, toolless changeover that takes just a few minutes. Our in-house packaging engineering department is a great benefit to Delcor customers who are launching new package designs. With the ability to quickly create package designs that are efficient and tailored to meet the needs of retailers, Delcor has provided countless production-ready designs for our customers. Our innovative culture has delivered many breakthrough packages, and the patented shelf-ready Cabrio case is a great example of a successful development. The Cabrio case design is free to use with the purchase of Delcor equipment. All Delcor equipment is designed and manufactured in Minneapolis, Minnesota. With 300 employees and 250,000 square feet of production space, we stand ready to provide fully tested packaging systems for your next project. Thank you for your time. We look forward to working with you.